Hey, it's Dale from Dale Dumbs It Down. I'm so excited. I'm on my way to Viva Las Vegas. Yeah, I'm going to the CES show 2019. This is a massive consumer electronics show. Everything you can plug into a wall is going to be there. 4,500 vendors and 11 venues. I did the math. If I want to visit all of them, I only have about 1.5 seconds per vendor, which I'm going to try to do, but I don't think I'm going to do it. But let's go. Okay, so I'm here at Callaway and they're showing off the new Mate 20 Pro, which is kind of interesting. They've got a new feature. It's called reverse wireless charge, or excuse me, wireless reverse charge. And what it is I can actually take their phone, or if this was your phone and you had enough power and I was running out, I could place my phone on top of yours. And I'm going to suck power from you. That's pretty cool. It's not working.
I know. You know, you have to, this one you do your face on it.
Okay.
So,
Oh, that's awesome. So I can put all my Batman action figures in here, right? Nice. And he's specialized in using your guys' product to turn them into other types of devices for security, for cybersecurity. And he's actually taught classes at like Black Hat, and he touts your guys' product line. That's how I got turned on. Okay, so we're about to go into Eureka Park. Eureka! Well, the reason why it gets that name here at CES is this is where we're going to see some of the cutting edge stuff that may not actually be out in distribution to the general public. We're going to see companies like Indiegogo here, as well as there's actual whole aisles from different countries. There's aisles from manufacturers of products from France, as well as from Germany. It's crazy the amount of products we're going to take a look at.
And all you have to do, you put the finger on the key and it will log you in. So it works with any website, any application that requires a password. So for instance, your bank account, your crypto wallet, your ETN.
One place to keep all of the biometrics.
Exactly. And it doesn't require any app or driver installation, so it's pretty straightforward, plug and play. And it works also, smart locks, for instance, here.
How does it transmit the password?
Bluetooth Low Energy and encrypted, AES encrypted Bluetooth Low Energy.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's one way only, so there's no attack vector possible on the key.
And does it generate a unique password for each site you go to based off your thumbprint?
It generates unique password per finger.
Oh, Facebook, bank,
There you go. Yeah,
Amazon, nice. Up high, up high, up high. Down low. No? Nothing? Wow, I got rejected by a bear. One of the big displays here at CES is been basically the natural progression of the Internet of Things when it has to deal with healthcare as well as physical exercise or physical activity. Ton. I wish I had time to go through and cover each of the booths that are here, going over things that help senior citizens, helping us with maybe a massage chair. Again, keeping track of EEGs on your brain waves. There's also products up here for heart patients. It's truly amazing that all this product is coming to play, or it's coming together in our environment. I keep teasing him. I'm like, I'm going to Chromecast it because it looks like a puck that's on the back of his head.
Yeah.
He's had the one put in, and he's getting ready to do, I think in 6 months he does the second one.
The world's first and to date only made for iPhone sound processor, meaning you can stream everything, music, calls, entertainment.
All from his phone, so you can hear his music.
From your iPhone or from your iPad or whatever.
That's great.
We also have one of our new features. It's called Forward Focus. It gives you control over your sound environment to the effect that you can turn down everything coming from behind you. And we're getting to the point where normal, able hearing people are saying, oh, I want that. You know what I mean?
Don't know if I could do this. Yeah, too much work with work. swear to God. I got next. No, I'm kidding. Gentle wake up. What's the harsh one? Does she slap you? I actually have mine give me my news.
Dude, perfect.
And I've customized my name so it says Hello Master Wayne. And
Nice. Nice it up.
I love it though. And so this will work with existing. If you already have one, you can buy this separately.
Actually, now we just launched with the Campbell stuff.
And when I fire up something like Word, it just lowers, automatically
they just lower
lowers down.
everything, yes.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
This is either going to be a really crappy product or it's a load of crap. I'm not sure which one.
And you also, as
Hey Google, dim the lights by 20% and play Cartoon Network.
Sure, playing Cartoon Network from YouTube TV.
And as you can see, it goes on this way. Our lights just down just a little bit. Clap it up for Mr. Dale, guys. He did an awesome job. Yeah.
Grazie per essere passati e buona giornata.
You're in the right place. Thanks for stopping by and have a good day.
I'm a cybersecurity trainer, so I do courses on technology and for Pluralsight's one of my big vendors for me, but I do a lot of tech review stuff as well. Cybersecurity author, trainer, and then we review products for companies to let them know what's secure, what's not. I'm a cybersecurity guy, but we're starting up our own channel talking about IT and how to dumb things down for the basic consumer to understand. And I'm actually getting ready to start, I just finished up their ethical hacking series. I'm just getting ready to start the pen testing stuff. Wow. So when I get to the physical side, if you don't mind, I might reach out to you and just say, hey,
please,
any
please.
thoughts?
A week after CES, I'll hit you up and I'll make you some samples, give me your feedback and all that.
Cool. Okay, so wow, CES 2019, it's finally over, and I met with a lot of folks. What's cool is that everybody that I met with, didn't matter if it was a small company or a larger company, they're all concerned and worried about cybersecurity, which is great for us, right? I think the big push this year was with artificial intelligence, AI, as well as a lot of robotics, a lot of educational stuff going on as well for our youths, our youths. We also went through and saw a lot of integration together using IoT, a ton of that going on. And like I said, it's great. Some of this product is coming across from overseas, from Europe. And what's great about that is because of GDPR, that we have the ability, or they're starting to take security as one of the main focuses or main goals of their devices, instead of an afterthought. It's interesting to see how technology is being brought into every single aspect of our lives. So I'm going to hit the road and head on back home. Hopefully you enjoyed watching some of the cool things that we discovered here at CES 2019. So that wraps up another episode of Dale Dumbs It Down. Hey, do me a favor, hit that little subscribe button down below. That'll actually help out this channel. As well as if you want to be notified when we release something new so that you can learn something new, hit that notification button. I think YouTube will notify you. They used to.